How to make changes to reservations. In this video, we'll explain how you can change details in your reservations. If requested by your guest, you may need to adjust dates, length of stay, or price of a reservation. What you can change depends on whether or not your guest has already checked in. Before check-in, you can modify the dates. After check-in, you can adjust dates and prices. To make a change before check-in, follow these steps. On the reservations page in the extranet, find the reservation that requires changing. Then, under Reservation Actions, click on Request Date Change. Depending on the reservation policy, you may see Request Date Change or Change Reservation Dates. Select New Dates, and if needed, check your availability and price. Lastly, click on Change Dates to finalize. Keep in mind that you need to honor all reservations. This means most changes should be made based on guest requests and should only be initiated by you in rare circumstances, such as unexpected repairs at your property. To make a change after check-in, select Change Reservation Dates and Prices. Under Select New Dates, add the new check-in and check-out dates. Click on Check Availability and Change Prices to manually enter a new reservation price. Then click Next and Save. If you need to adjust prices for additional guests or for a room change, simply follow the same steps. And keep in mind, any changes that result in a cost increase require guest approval. You're all set to successfully make changes to reservations. For more support, explore our helpful resources via partner.booking.com. And remember, if you want to manage your property from the palm of your hand, you can use the Pulse app. Visit the extranet